Hello beach lovers! Welcome to this video where we're diving into the ultimate guide for making your next beach day truly unforgettable. Whether you're planning a tropical getaway, a weekend trip to the coast, or just dreaming of the waves, we've got something for you. From thrilling water sports to peaceful moments under the sun, the beach offers endless possibilities. In today's video, we're counting down the 10 best beach activities that you absolutely have to try. So grab your sunglasses, your sunscreen, and your sense of adventure, because we're about to explore what makes a day at the beach truly magical. Let's dive into the top 10 beach activities you don't want to miss. Alright, let's be real. Sometimes the best thing you can do at the beach is, well, nothing at all. We're kicking off this list with the most classic beach activity there is: pure, unadulterated relaxation. Think about it. You've escaped the city, the noise, the grind. You're surrounded by the vastness of the ocean, the warm sand beneath your feet, the sound of waves crashing against the shore. This isn't just about doing nothing, it's about being present. So ditch the phone, forget about your to-do list, and just breathe. Close your eyes, feel the sun on your skin, listen to the rhythm of the waves. Let all that tension melt away. This is your chance to recharge, to reconnect with yourself and the natural world. It's amazing how restorative just being present in this moment can be. And hey, if you doze off for a bit, I won't judge. No pressure, just pure relaxation. So next time you're at the beach, remember this: sometimes the best adventures are the ones where you don't have to do a single thing. Okay, so maybe relaxing isn't your thing. You crave a little more action, a little adrenaline rush. Well then, it's time to talk about surfing. Surfing is more than just a sport, it's a way of life, a dance with nature, an exhilarating test of balance and skill. It's about harnessing the raw power of the ocean and turning it into pure, unadulterated fun. Now I know what you're thinking. Casey, I can barely stand on a surfboard, let alone ride a wave. Listen, I've been there, everyone starts somewhere. The beauty of surfing is that it doesn't matter if you're a seasoned pro or a total newbie. The ocean welcomes everyone. The feeling of catching your first wave, even if it's just a little one, is indescribable. Plus, most beaches have surf schools with awesome instructors who'll have you up and riding in no time. So what are you waiting for? Grab a board, find a wave, and get ready for the ride of your life. Alright, let's switch gears and dive into a completely different world. One hidden beneath the surface of the waves. I'm talking about snorkeling. Snorkeling is like stepping into a real-life aquarium. You strap on a mask, pop in a snorkel, and boom, you're swimming with the fishes, literally. Imagine this. You're gliding over vibrant coral reefs, schools of colorful fish darting around you, maybe even a curious sea turtle checking you out. It's like entering another dimension, a secret world teeming with life and beauty. And the best part, snorkeling is super accessible. You don't need any fancy equipment or special skills, just a mask, a snorkel, and a sense of adventure. Whether you're exploring a shallow reef or venturing a little deeper, snorkeling offers a unique opportunity to connect with marine life. It's an experience that will leave you in awe of the ocean's incredible biodiversity. So, next time you're at the beach, don't just stay on the shore. Grab a snorkel and dive in. You never know what amazing creatures you might encounter. Okay, so you want to explore the coastline, feel the ocean breeze in your hair, but maybe surfing's a little too intense and snorkeling's a bit too submerged. Let me introduce you to the glorious world of stand-up paddleboarding, or SUP. SUP is like the love child of kayaking and surfing. You get the chill vibes of gliding across the water, the workout of paddling, and the option to catch a wave if you're feeling adventurous. Imagine this. You're standing on a giant surfboard, paddle in hand, cruising along the shoreline. The sun's on your face, you're feeling the rhythm of the ocean, and you might even spot some marine life below. Balance is key here, but trust me, it's easier than it looks. Start on your knees if you need to, find your sea legs, then stand tall and paddle away, and the best part, SUP is a killer workout without even feeling like one. You're working your core, your arms, your legs. It's like a full-body workout disguised as a relaxing day at the beach. So ditch the towel, grab a paddleboard, and explore the hidden coves and stunning views that only SUP can offer. Alright, let's be real. What's a beach day without a little friendly competition? And what better way to get your heart pumping than with a classic game of beach volleyball? This isn't your average gym class volleyball, folks. We're talking sun, sand, and spikes so epic they'd make even the pros jealous. Beach volleyball is all about energy, teamwork, and most importantly, having a blast. Gather your crew, draw a line in the sand, or use an actual net if you're feeling fancy, and let the games begin. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete newbie, it doesn't matter. The beauty of beach volleyball is that it's a game for everyone. It's a chance to show off your skills, or lack thereof, dive for those impossible saves, and celebrate those epic spikes with your friends. So, next time you're hitting the beach with your squad, ditch the frisbee, forget about the tanning session, and get ready to bump, set, and spike your way to victory. As the sun starts to dip below the horizon, painting the sky in a breathtaking palette of colors, it's time to slow things down and embrace the magic of a sunset stroll along the shoreline. This isn't just a walk, folks, it's a sensory experience. The feel of the cool, damp sand beneath your feet, the gentle breeze whispering through your hair, the sound of the waves crashing against the shore, it's like hitting the reset button on your soul. As you walk, take a moment to appreciate the beauty around you. The fiery hues of orange, pink, and purple reflecting on the water, the silhouettes of palm trees swaying in the distance, the peacefulness that settles over the beach as the day comes to an end. This is your chance to reflect on the day, to let go of any stress or negativity, and to simply be present in the moment. And hey, if you're lucky enough to be strolling with someone special, well, let's just say the romantic vibes are off the charts. So grab your loved one, kick off your shoes, and lose yourselves in the beauty of a sunset stroll. Trust me, it's the perfect way to end a perfect day at the beach. Remember when you were a kid and the simplest things brought you so much joy? Like flying a kite on a windy day? Well, guess what? That feeling doesn't have to fade away with childhood. Flying a kite is one of those timeless beach activities that never gets old. It's a chance to tap into your inner child, to feel the wind in your hair, and to watch in awe as your kite dances across the sky. There's something incredibly therapeutic about launching your kite into the air, feeling the tug on the string, and watching it soar higher and higher. Plus, if you've got kids of your own, this is a guaranteed way to create some unforgettable memories. Teach them how to launch the kite, how to control it, and watch their faces light up with excitement as their kite takes flight. And hey, even if your kite ends up crashing and burning, it happens to the best of us, who cares? Just pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and try again. Because flying a kite is all about embracing the journey, not just the destination. Okay, let's be real. No beach day is complete without indulging in some delicious eats. And I'm not just talking about your average picnic basket fare. I'm talking about those iconic beachside treats that tantalize your taste buds and scream vacation mode. First up, we've got the classics. Fresh coconut water sipped straight from the shell. Seriously, is there anything more refreshing than cracking open a cold coconut on a hot day? Next, let's talk about seafood. Grilled shrimp skewers, fish tacos, lobster rolls, you name it, the beach has it. And it's usually cooked fresh right there on the sand, so you know it's gonna be good. And of course, we can't forget about dessert. Ice cream is a beach day staple, whether you prefer it in a cone, a cup, or sandwiched between two freshly baked cookies. But don't be afraid to venture out and try something new. Many beaches have local vendors selling unique snacks and treats, from shaved ice to fruit salads to churros, so why not treat yourself? After all, you're on vacation. Alright, let's talk about capturing those epic beach moments, because let's be real, if you didn't Instagram it, did it even happen? Just kidding. Kind of. But seriously, the beach is one of the most photogenic places on Earth. The vibrant colors, the endless horizons, the golden light, it's a photographer's dream, and the best part, you don't need a fancy camera or years of experience to capture some stunning shots. First things first, timing is everything. The golden hour, that magical time just after sunrise or before sunset, is when the light is soft, warm, and perfect for portraits. Now let's talk composition. Don't be afraid to get creative. Use leading lines like the shoreline or a pier to draw the viewer's eye into the photo. Experiment with different angles and perspectives. Get low to the ground for a unique view, or try shooting from above for a more dramatic effect. And don't forget about the details. Close-up shots of seashells, sandcastles, or even footprints in the sand can add a touch of whimsy and interest to your photos. So grab your phone or your camera, channel your inner Ansel Adams, and get ready to capture some frame-worthy shots. Trust me, your Instagram feed will thank you. Okay, let's get real for a second. Building a sandcastle isn't just for kids, it's a timeless beach tradition that transcends age, language, and even architectural skill. It's about tapping into your inner child, unleashing your creativity, and seeing what kind of masterpiece you can create with just sand and water. The key to building an epic sandcastle is all about the foundation. Pack that sand down tight, build a solid base, and don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Once you've got a good foundation, the sky's the limit. Build towers, carve intricate designs, add moats, draw bridges, let your imagination run wild. And hey, if your sandcastle collapses before you're finished, who cares? Just laugh it off. Start again. And remember, it's all about the journey, not the destination. So, grab your buckets, your shovels, and your imagination, and get ready to create some sandcastle magic. It's relaxing, it's fun, and it's a great way to connect with your inner architect, or at least pretend to be one for a few hours. So, next time you're at the beach, don't just sit there, build something amazing. So there you have it, 10 incredible beach activities that can turn any beach day into an unforgettable adventure. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow beach lovers, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and adventure ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next trip. Until then, enjoy the waves. From adrenaline-pumping adventures like surfing and snorkeling, to simple joys like building sandcastles or strolling along the water at sunset, the beach truly has something for everyone. But now, we want to hear from you. What's your favorite thing to do at the beach? Do you love the thrill of riding the waves, or are you more about soaking up the sun and relaxing? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your ideas and maybe even try them out ourselves. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, that really helps us out, and share it with your beach-loving friends. And if you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, may your days be sunny, your adventures endless, and your beach trips unforgettable. See you by the waves.